about this delicious Spanish dessert? Well, if you're searching for an elegant yet super easy to make dessert that is guaranteed to impress your dinner guests, you will love this Crema Catalana recipe. It has an irresistibly creamy texture and caramelized sugar topping. I'm confident you're going to absolutely love it. Let's get started! So guys, just place the milk and pandan leaves in a saucepan. Then slowly bring to a boil. While the milk is slowly heating, in a mixing bowl, we will prepare 7 egg yolks. And whisk together with sugar, vanilla essence, and corn flour until all the ingredients are thoroughly blended and the mixture turns frothy or creamy. Guys, now we will remove the milk from heat and let it sit for 15 minutes to infuse the flavor of pandan leaves. And also, pass the pandan-infused milk to a strainer to discard the lumps and pandan leaves. Now, just return the milk to a clean saucepan and place over medium heat. Just before it reaches boiling point, add the egg mixture gradually and make sure to stir constantly until the mixture has thickened and coats the back of the spoon. Then remove it from heat and place it to an individual ramekins or aluminum container. Then let it cool before putting in the fridge for 3 hours. Then guys, serve it with caramelized sugar on top of each Crema Catalana and use blowtorch to caramelize. But if you don't have a blowtorch, just place it on a tray under preheated gas grill for a few minutes. Just allow the sugar to harden, then serve. Making homemade Crema Catalana could not be easier. Apart from having to wait for the custard to chill, there's nothing difficult about it. It only takes some patience as you have to wait a few hours for it to chill and set. But its flavor gets even better the next day, so if you can handle the wait, we highly recommend it because it's well worth it. Well, that wasn't so hard now, was it? If you tried this Crema Catalana recipe, let me know what you think on the comments down below. Enjoy! Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button.